The Book of Psalms, chapter 73. Elohim is truly good to Yahshar'el, to those whose heart is clean. But as for me, my feet had almost stumbled, my steps had nearly slipped. For I was envious of the boasters when I saw the peace of the wrongdoers. For death has no pangs for them, and their strength is firm. They are not in trouble as other men, and they are not plagued like other men. So pride is their necklace, the garment of violence covers them. Their eyes bulge from fatness, their heart overflows with imaginations. They mock and speak in the evil of oppression, they speak loftily. They have set their mouth against the heavens, and their tongue walks through the earth, saying, Therefore his people return here, and waters of a filled cup are drained by them. And they have said, How could El know? And is there knowledge in the Most High? See, these are the wrong, and always at ease. They have amassed wealth. Indeed, in vain I have cleansed my heart, and washed my hands in innocence. For I am plagued all day long, and my reproof is every morning. If I had said, Let me speak thus, see, I would have deceived a generation of your children. Yet, when I tried to understand this, it was labor to my eyes, until I went into the set-apart place of El. Then I perceived their end. Indeed, you set them in slippery places. You make them fall to ruins. How suddenly they are ruined, completely swept away through destructions. YAHUAH, when you awake, you despise their image, as one does a dream after waking. For my heart was in a ferment, and I was pierced in my kidneys. I was stupid and ignorant. I was like a beast toward you. Yet I am always with you. You took hold of my right hand. You lead me by your counsel, and afterward receive me unto esteem. Whom do I have in the heavens? And I have desired no one besides you on earth. My flesh and my heart shall waste away, but Elohim is the rock of my heart and my portion forever. For look, those who are far from you perish. You shall cut off all those who go whoring away from you. But as for me, it is good to be near Elohim. I have made my refuge in the Master YAHUAH to declare all your works.